Hi, today we will talk about the return statement in Python. What is the return statement? The return statement can be used to return values in a function. The return statement stores and returns useful information. So here's an example. So as you can see, we are returning the product of the values x and y. In this case, 5 and 6 when the function is called. And the returned value will only display on the console output if you call the print function as well. So what I mean is, if this print function was not there, you would not see the 30 displayed here. But since the print function is there, it is displaying the 30 value. If we didn't have the print function, we wouldn't have anything printed to the console output. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.